Welcome to the CryptoNest. All right, so Ethereum looks like it's pushing higher this morning, and let's go and calculate what could be a target now, because it looks like, wow, this fourth wave was really shallow, was it? Let me double check here. A, B, C. Actually, we did reach the 1-to-1 ratio, amazingly. Okay, I'm going to leave that one here. So we wouldn't have even reached the 0.236. That would be how bullish Ethereum feel lately. And that's going to be phenomenal for the target for this fifth wave. So I'm going to take from the beginning of wave 1 to the end of the third wave to the end of the fourth wave, wave 1 and 3. And now this time I have no choice to... Where did it go? Was it that one down? It didn't work. Okay, let me start back. I was what? Is it that bullish? Actually, let me remove that. Okay, let's start back. So from the beginning of wave 1 to the end of the wave 3 to the end of the fourth wave. Ah, it's overlapping there. Seriously? So I already did it. Man. It's just would have been better if it was the gray same color. So let me fifth wave. Okay, I would like to know what is the dotted one. I think that's the, is it the previous? Yeah, it's the previous high. So that would be great and not great at the same time, because it would be better to not just equalize the all-time high, but actually push higher. I'd like also to see what is this, because now it's a little bit getting in my way. So I just want to check here, what did I do? So this was the possibility that if this is a B, C, so this would be just a wave 1. No, this is wave 3, 1, 2. Ah, okay, that's the target. Okay, but my goodness, I could have done it a little bit smaller. Okay, so this is the target in yellow. Well, now should be a little bit better. Okay, now we're talking. Three, four, that's orange. Okay, so price should go and reach 4,874 in the bigger picture. Let's see if we can get there. So once again, we would have completed the fourth wave in blue and missing a leg up now. If I go on the 1 hour, it is still a little bit messy. And honestly, I feel it's too early to count, to make a count wave. Because do I count this as a 1, 2? And now this is the third wave, and within this third wave, we have a wave 1, wave 2, and actually now doing a third wave, then fourth and 5, and this would be the third, then a fourth, and then a fifth. That would be kind of the path. Very ugly lines, sorry about that. It could also be this is just an A, a B, and now we're doing the C. This would be a wave 1, and so on, you know, and do 5 way up. So we are going to see, first of all, if it's not just a fake out. Let me just double check here, because we could say this was the A. Now this wasn't the B, it was just an A, a B, and a C in a complex way. And now we could still go lower and make the C. But honestly, we did this do work out, but just problematic is we didn't even touch the 0.236. So this is why I'm happy to see the price go higher, but you know, as they say, calm your horses. I want to be cautious about that, and actually I want to trace a B wave level, a high B wave level. Actually, I should do 2 settings for high B levels, and then would be just easier. So it started to be unlikely that this can be a B wave, because higher than 1.38 now I don't have a full candle close, so I'm going to wait. Still have 38 minutes left, and we will see how it goes. But if we push higher, then yeah, I can say okay, fine. It was very deep, shallow fourth wave, never reach even the minimum, and this is what can happen when the market is super bullish. Now the momentum, the FOMO, I would say also, it started to get into Ethereum, and you can see it in the chart, right? Very bullish. Alright, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day. Bye.